So today we are trying to solve these two integrations. Before I start, be sure to subscribe to my video and click the like button and leave a comment below. Okay, so we are going to solve these two integrations. But before we solving this in other videos, you can check it. You can check to my playlist. I already solved these two, right? So we can just easily use these two results. Okay, so how about we first solve the first one? So I can write the first one as dx, right? Since I already solved this one, right? So I know this. I know this. I know the first one is equals to this one, and then this can be equals to x 1/a tangent ax divided by 2 minus the udv. So let me just write out udv equals to uv minus vdu, right? So differentiation with respect to x is what, right? Dx. Okay, so it's x divided by a tangent ax divided by 2 minus 1/a tangent ax dx integration. And in the previous video, I already showed that the tangent ax integration is minus ln cosine ax. Okay, so this is what I already showed in my other videos. So this one is this term, and the second one is just plug in this. Sorry, there's a 1/a here, so it becomes x divided by a tangent x divided by 2, and then remember this is a/2, right? So it's plus 2a squared, right, ln cosine ax divided by 2. Okay, so this one is correct, and then we can also use the same thing to prove the next one. So one can also write this one. Okay, maybe let me just write here, right, as xd minus 1/a cotangent ax divided by 2, and then we use the same technique, the integration by part. So this is cotangent ax divided by 2, and right, dx and 1/a, and this is this one called integration of cosecant. Is long cosecant. Cotangent is this one. So this is sine. Okay, so and basically we use the same thing, just change the sine into cosine and the tangent to cotangent and the cosecant to secant. Okay, and it's done. Then we are done, right? So basically, once if you see my previous video, once you use this the double angle formula, then you are very easy to prove these two. Okay, that's it, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in the next videos.